Hey builders, what's up? Me, Gavin here again, and literally 5 minutes ago, I'm trying to post as many videos as I can. I made the video game controller, and then yesterday I built Lamora's knife, and right now we're gonna build a futuristic shotgun. Okay. Here are the pieces that you will need to start off the shotgun. Okay. First, a blue grabby hand. Focus. Okay, there. Then you grab this little round scooper piece. Then you put them together like this. Then you grab this, I have no idea, opening on two sides, whatever. Oh no, I'll show you. Yeah, there you go. Then you put it on the scooper side. Put it right there. Then there's your first part of the shotgun. Okay, next two pieces that you will need is a light gray stud and a translucent orange stud. Then you put the translucent orange stud on the light gray stud, like this. No, wait, actually it's the other way around. On it. There you go. Yeah, oh dang it. And then, then you put the orange. No, so then you put the orange below the gray. Then you snap it on to here. Then you got your shotgun. Your mini figure size shotgun. Pew! That was today's build, and see you guys later. Bye!